Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In previous video, we discussed about five problems and comparison operators. Likewise, in this video also we will discuss more problems and comparison operators. Let's have a look. Here I took one problem, that is write a program that reads two numbers A and B and checks A is greater than or equal to B. See, first a problem is cutting into pieces. Okay, here what I am saying, first take two numbers. Here already I taken two numbers, A is equal to one number and as well as B is equal to another number. Okay, here what he is asking, check the condition. A is greater than or equal to B. Okay, A is greater than or equal to B. See, here result A is greater than or equal to B. Suppose this condition is correct. This condition is correct means at that time the output will be printed true, then otherwise it's false. Okay, then otherwise it's false. Let's have a look. Suppose here A I am giving 8 and B I am giving 5. Okay, see here A is greater than 5. See, A is greater than or is equal to 5. Okay, A is greater than or equal to 5. Then A is greater than or is equal to 5 means 8 is bigger when comparing to 5. Then the condition is true. The output will be print also true. Okay. Suppose here I am giving A is equal to 2. One number is equal to 2 and another number is equal to 7. The output will be print false. Why? Because A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 7. Okay. 2 is a small number when comparing to 7. That's why the output will be print false. Okay. I hope you understand this concept. Next, we will see the next problem. See, uh, the next problem is write a program. Okay, write a program. Write a program A and B already. Maybe this input already. Write a program that reads two numbers A and B and checks if A is greater than B. Just A is greater than B. Okay, here greater than or equal to not there. Okay, greater than or equal to not there. Just A is greater than B. Very simple. Then remove equal to symbol. Then check. Okay, remove. See, it's just what he asked. A is greater than B. Okay, A is greater than B. Let's have a look. Okay, here. Okay, 8 and 5 I am giving. 8 and 5 I am giving. 8 is greater than 5. Okay, automatically A is greater than 5. Then the condition will become true. Okay, here like previous 2 and 7 I am giving. Okay, A is greater than 7. Is it true? No, it's false. Okay, A 2 is greater than 7. It's true? No, it's false. That's why the output will be print false. Okay, next see the next. Okay, next problem. Okay, write a program. Okay, okay, write a program two numbers A and B. Write a program two numbers A and B. If checks B is greater than A. Okay, B is greater than A. What he is asking? Just like previous problem, just he changed the variables. Okay, he changed variables. B is greater than A. Okay, now B is greater than A. If it's true, okay, see here enter a number. Okay, enter a number. A, here I am giving 7 and another number is 9. Okay, another number is 9. Previous, what is the previous? Not this problem. Previous problem condition is what? A is greater than B. Okay, A is greater than B. At that time, it's true. Here B is greater than A. B is greater than A means the value B will be print first. First and the value A will print second. The comparison between will happen. Okay, let's have a look here. Here I given A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 9. According to given inputs. Okay, according to given inputs, the output will be print true. Let's have a look. Yes. See, here A is equal to 7 I given and B is equal to 9 I given. Then 7 is greater than 9. 7 is, sorry, 9 is greater than 7. Okay, 9 is greater than 7. Here what happened? 9 is greater than 7. That's why the given condition is true. Then it's true. Suppose here I am changing values. Okay, here I am changing values. See here, A is equal to 2, 4 I am giving, and B is equal to 9 I am, okay, sorry. A is equal to 10 I am giving. A is equal to 10 I am, sorry, sorry. Okay, enter a number. Here A is equal to 10 I am giving, and B is equal to 8 I am giving. Okay. See, according to condition, B is equal to 8 and A is equal to 10. B is equal to 8 and A is equal to 10. Then output will be print. Okay, the output will be print false. Okay, see here. Okay, see here, the output will be false. Okay, I hope you understand. I will take two more numbers. Here A I am giving 567. Okay, B I am giving 200. Okay, A I am giving 567 and B I am giving 200. But according to condition, 2 is greater than, okay, according to condition 200 is greater than 567. 200 is greater than 567. Actually, is it true? Is it true? No. Why? Because when comparing to 567, 200 is a small number. Then the given condition will become false. Okay, see, let's have a look. Output is false. The output is false. See here. Okay, the output will be false. This is the problem, friends. Let's have a look into next problem. Okay, write a program. Okay, write a program. Write a program that reads a word and checks if the first letter and the last letter of the word are not same. See here. See here. First, read read the question properly. Okay, now write a program that reads a word. Okay, now that reads a word. Suppose if you take one string, okay, if you take one string, in that string, the first character and the last character, okay, if you check the comparison between the first character and the last character of the given string, what he is asking, not same, he is asking, okay. If not same means, according to problem, if both are not same means, the output will be print true. Okay, the output will be print true, then otherwise false. See here what I am saying. Suppose I am giving Python. Okay, here I am giving here what is the first character? P. First character is P. What he is asking, not same. First character not same means not equal to, what is the last character? N. Okay, first character is P and the last character is N. Okay, here I am taking completely lowercase letters. Here first character is P and the last character is N. Here both letters are same, both characters are same. No, then the output will be print. Okay, then the output will be print true. Then the output will be print true. This is the given problem. Okay, let's take one word. Word is equal to input. Okay, word is equal to input. Enter a string. Enter a string. And what here? What he is asking? First letter. First letter means first character. Okay, here I am pronouncing character. First character and the last character he is saying. Okay, here what is the first character? First character in index is always 0. Okay, first character is index is always 0, and the last character is index is always length minus 1. Okay, length minus 1. I already told in previous videos. See, first character. First character is equal. Okay, first character is equal to variable. Okay, variable 0, and the second character, not second character, last character. Last character means length minus 1. First, what is the length? Length we don't know. Then length of the word. Okay, length of the word is equal to len of word. Okay, len of word. What is the last character? Last character. Okay, last character is equal to word. Okay, word. Length of the word minus 1. Length of the word minus 1. See, length of the word minus 1. First I will check with normal input. Then after I will check with user input. So here I am giving Python. Okay, here I am taking a word Python. Here what is the first character? Let's check step by step. Here print first character. Okay, print first character P. Okay, print first character P, as well as print last character N. See here, the first character is P and the last character is N. Here also check. First character is P and the last character is also N. Here what he is asking, both are not same he is asking. Check the result. Result is equal first character. Okay. First character not equal to last character. First character not equal to last character. Then print result. Okay, print result. I am removing this. Here first character is P and the last character is N. Okay. Here first character is, according to problem, first character is P not equal to N. The output should be print true. The output should print true. Let's have a look. If true print means yes. See here, the output should true. Why? Because the first character and the last character both are same. No, that's why the output should be true. Okay. Suppose first character and the last character is both are same means at that time. See here, I am adding P. Okay, just Python last character as P. Here the first character and the last character both are same. At that time, what is the output? Okay, what is the output? The output will be print false. Why? Because here the first character P is there and the last character is also P is there. That's why here the output will be false. Suppose here I am removing P here. Now here what is the last character? N. Here last character is what? N. At that time what is the output? It's true. Okay, na? Here first character is P and last character is N. Then the output should be true. Okay, let's have a check with the user input. See here the input. Okay, enter a string. Okay, enter a string. See, check with the user input. Here I am giving Ashok. Okay, here I am giving Ashok. Here A and K both are same. See here A is there and here K is there. Okay, K and A both are same. No, that's why the output should be print. Why? Because the what is the asked condition? Not equal to his asked. That's why the given condition is satisfied. Then the output should be true. Okay. See, next I will take one more character randomly. I am typing. See here, what is the first character G and what is the last character K? The last character I am printing G. Okay, here first character is G and the last character is also C. G. See, then the both characters are same. That's why the output should be false. This is the given problem. I hope you understand, friends. Okay, we will see the next problem. What is the next problem? See, okay. Write a program that reads two-digit number. Okay, two-digit number n, and the n consists of only two digits. Okay. Check if the sum of the digits of n is greater than 8. Okay, okay. Is what is asking? He's asking, he given two-digit number. Okay, two-digit number, the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits is greater than 8 or not. Okay, suppose if it's 8, then the output should be print true. Then otherwise it's false. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look. See here, number. Okay, number is equal. First, we will see with the normal number. Okay, we will see with the normal number str. Why? Because normally the number will print integer. That's why here I am taking 64. Okay, here I am taking 64. Here 64 is a number. Here what is the first digit? First digit is equal num of 0 and the second digit is equal num of 1. Okay, here first see what is asking, given two digit number. Okay, this is the two digit number. Okay, next check if the sum of the digits means two digit number means first digit and second digit. Here first digit is num of num index 0, the second digit means num of index 7. Next what he is asking, sum. Okay, sum is equal to first digit plus second digit. Okay, sum is equal to first digit and second digit. This one he asked, right? The sum is equal to first digit and second digit, and the sum of the digits is greater than, sum of the digits means sum is greater than 8. Okay, let's result is equal to sum is greater than 8. Sum is greater than 8. If its condition is true, the output should be print true. Okay, the condition is true, the output should be print true. See, let's have a look. Then print result. See here. Okay, here error occurred. What happened? Type error greater than not supported between the indices of str and ended. Okay, here what he mean, here string I given. Okay, but these are numbers, right? That's why error came. That's why these digits I'm converting into integers. Okay, these two digits, first digit and the second digit, I'm converting into integers. Okay, now see, true. Okay, true. Here what is the given number? 6. Okay, what is the given number? 6 plus, okay, 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. What is the output? 10. Okay, 6 plus 4. 10 is greater than 8, right? Here sum is 10. 10 is greater than 8, right? Then the condition satisfied. Condition satisfied means the output will print true. Okay. Now this problem we will check with the user input. Okay. Check with the user input. Let's have a look. Only two digit number only we have to give. See, first input, just give input. Enter a number. Enter a number. See here. Here I am giving 23. Okay, here I am giving 23. Here false. Why? Because 2 plus 3 how much? 5. 2 plus 3 5. 5 means 5 is greater than 8? No. Okay, no? No. Then it's false. Suppose here I am giving, okay, here I am giving 67. Okay, na 67. 67 means 6 plus 7 how much? 13. Okay, na 13 means, 13 means what is the condition? True. Why? Because 6 plus 7 13 means it is more than 8, right? Greater than 8. Then that's why it's true. Okay, I this is the program, friends. Okay, the condition satisfied, then it's true. I hope you understand this video. Here we did practice on 5 problems. Problem by problem, difficulty will increase. Okay, when we are doing initial problems, at initial level the problems becomes very easy, but when we are going forward the problems will become first intermediate level, next very difficult level problems also will come. Okay, next more new concepts will coming. Okay, when new concepts occurrence will come, at that time the problem of complexity will also increase. Okay, first when we are doing initial level, do practice must. Without practice we can't do anything. Friends, I hope you understand this video. If you understand, please like this video as well as share and subscribe.